Alright, welcome to my 2026 shop tour. Just going to start over here in the corner. 60-gallon air compressor. That's how I got it set up. I got it going into a dryer, little dryer, and a regulator. And from there I got it going up into the ceiling and into a connector block, and then I got it running all the way around the top of the building in a closed loop with drop downs. You can see one there, and that's what they look like. I got these off Amazon and they work pretty good. And for the hose, I just use cheap Harbor Freight hose, and it works just fine. Got these little the little retainer clips. I got a jar of them from Lowe's to hold everything in place. Paint and solvent cabinets. The welders, I've had these forever. Hobart, Ironman 230, Precision TIG 225, plasma cutter, horizontal bandsaw, you can see I made some caster brackets for it. Before it just had the feet there and you had to lift this end of it up to move it around, and now it rolls real much easier. Gas-fired forge. Grinding and hardware bench. In these boxes I just have scrap material. Sandblaster. Roll around welding table. A little 110 Hobart MIG down there. The 20-ton press. Atlas shaper. The machine box. And I just keep cutters and collets and anything to do with machining. Couple drawers full of drill bits, lathe stuff. And up here I have a couple shelves of machining accessories. Here's a milling machine, Precision Matthews, PM 932. I like this machine. What I like about it most is this. The head goes up and down. No cranking. And I got these, I think they're called engineer's lights. They're supposed to be desk mounted, and I got them. They don't cost very much. They're LED, and I just mounted them to the wall like that, and use these for machine lights. I got another one over here for the drill press. Here's the lathe. This is a grizzly lathe, and it used to be green, and I disassembled pretty much all of it. I took it all the way apart, took the carriage off, took the top off, and gave it a good cleaning, and repainted it this gray color. And have a bunch of accessories up here. Toolboxes. I got standard measurement stuff in here, and I got the metric stuff over here. Gotta have a TV, right? And over in this box I got electrical stuff. And that's pretty much it. So that's all for the 2026 shop tour. And until next time, thanks for watching.